BrightPay's Payroll Journal feature allows users to create wage journals from the finalized payslips and upload into the SageBusiness Cloud Accounting package using API. Within Payroll, select Journal on the menu toolbar, followed by Sage. On this screen, choose SageBusiness Cloud Accounting as your destination. Set your date range. The journal will include records for all payslips across all pay frequencies with a pay date within the selected range. Under Rollup, select whether you would like the journal to include individual records for each employee or whether to merge the records for each unique date. Click Continue. Sign in if prompted to do so. Your nominal ledger codes will now be retrieved from SageBusiness Cloud Accounting. Simply map each payroll data item to the relevant nominal account code. A nominal account code can be used for multiple items. When ready to proceed, click Continue. Nominal ledger mapping variations allows you to specify any circumstances for which amounts should be mapped to an alternate nominal account code. For each payroll data item you wish to add a variation for, click Add Variation. For the payroll data item selected, set the rules to apply in order for the amount to be mapped to the designated nominal account you enter on this screen. Rules can be set according to period type, directorship, department, and specific pay item. For example, if you want your director's salaries to be mapped to the same nominal account, you would update your rules like shown on screen. Make sure you choose the correct nominal account you wish all this information to be linked to. Click Save when complete. Your rule will now be displayed on screen under the payroll data item it is now associated with. Once variations have been set, these can be edited, deleted, or reordered by clicking the spanner symbol next to it. Also, clicking the nominal account information displayed in green provides quick access to the rules that have been set for it. Further variations can be added for different pay items or for the same payroll data item by simply clicking Add Variation again and setting the rules to apply. When you've finished creating your variations, click Continue. Your journal will now be displayed on screen for review. Simply click the Back button to make any amendments. When ready to upload your journal, click Send to Sage. A confirmation will be displayed on screen to confirm successful upload into your Sage account. If you want to print, email, or export a copy of your journal as a PDF, press Print. To close the journal screen, simply click the cross at the top right of this screen. If you have made any changes to the journal, you will be asked if you wish to save your changes. Click Yes or No as required.